Well, here it is. It's Saturday afternoon. It's about 4 o'clock, and the snow started at 4 o'clock this morning. And it's laying down, I'd say, probably about an inch an hour now. And we're not even halfway through the storm. You can see down here where I started to dig out a little bit. I'd say it's, I don't know, maybe 5 inches right up here, but it's a little windy too, so it's drifting pretty bad. So my goal is to get from here to my truck out there. And I guess I'll take some video later when this is all over. But I might even attempt to get my truck out and at least get down to the road, down the end of the road and back, see if I can do it. Well, that's it, man. I wanted some snow, and I definitely got it. Signing off from Snow Central. Smell you later.